They taste like beef.
I smell like beef.
Hi everyone, today's video is going to be an unboxing of Japanese snacks and candy. I really have no idea what's in here. This was a present from my brother, so I'll open it first of all. When I first opened it up and I saw this, I thought this was the only thing in there. And I thought, I've been ripped off.
Got him!
I don't know how the heck they fit this in here. Oh, yeah. Skips, but with a tiny dead elephant. Ooh! They smell like prawn. I don't know why I'm getting so nervous because they smell really nice. I don't know. They taste like beef.
I smell like beef.
I can't quite put my finger on what they taste like. I'm getting like vibes of beef curry. I'm gonna give those, out of 5 dead elephants, I'm gonna give them 4.5 dead elephants because they're quite strong. But it tastes nice. Oh my god! That's freaking cool. Look at that. It looks like a packet of condoms, but I'm gonna say it's probably not. It is Pokemon! Oh! Cool.
I wanna be.
It smells like
Beef.
fruit. This is fruity. Come on. Yay! Oh my god! Look at this! Oh, you can't see because of the light. Ah! I don't know what to do. It's a freaking Pokemon card, but it's all in Japanese. Oh, the nerdiest business in the whole world. Ah! Intense version. That's so cool. Ah! This is what also came inside. That's what she said. I might have to read what this one is because I don't want to like open it up if you have to microwave it, or I have no idea how to eat this. Pokemon card and candy. The package comes with 1 random Pokemon card and 2 grape gummies, so I can just eat them. Ooh. Look at that baby. Oh my god. Yeah, it does smell like grape. The gummiest thing in the world. Ah! Ugh! Slime. 3 dead elephants out of 5 dead elephants. Next of all, my whole box just fell over and everything just spilled out. Chocolate. It looks like it to me. So there's like this thingy. Look at those guys. They're pretty intense, huh? Am I holding that the right way around? No. There. Yeah, it's chocolate.
Nice.
Next in the intense box of mysteries. Oh, we have a little origami guy. We'll call him the unfazed snowman. And then we have 2 items left. I'm going to take them out together because I think they're supposed to be together. This guy looks like he's eating curry and having a good time. This guy looks like he's eating a maraca and having a great time. So, oh, it's a microphone. Bleh. Oh, it does not have a smell. Oh no, it smells like what's it? Yeah. Yep, it's a freaking giant donut what's it. Whoa, that intensely smells of curry. Oh, I love that. Yeah, that was really nice. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, let me know if you want me to do the second month of the what am I saying? The Japanese candy unboxing. If you want me to do next month's one and unbox it on camera and try it on camera, then let me know and I will. Let me know of any other videos you want me to film, because I have a lot of ideas myself, but I'd love if you would help me out. Remember to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more of me. I don't know why you would, but just in case. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.